Domagoj, just ended your first game in team in Rapla.
Yeah, it was like I give everything from myself. I'm not always in real shape, but I will be through maybe 2 weeks probably. But I'm satisfied with this game because I said already I give everything, and I saw that this team is still better than I thought, our team.
And will be better?
I'm sure it will be better.
How is the team? First impression about team?
About team, yes, I said I had a positive thoughts about team, and I saw it like first 2 days on the practice, but from the game I see that is a lot better than I thought.
Next game will be in Saturday.
Yeah, we play
in Rapla, in home.
In Rapla, my first game at home, so I really don't know any team. This is my first game, so as in this game I will do my best.
What your opinion about fans?
Yeah, I didn't.
Rapla fans here.
Yeah, I didn't know that they are coming here. I thought that they are only at home games. I didn't know that they are like so real fans.
We have, yes, real fans.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you, Domagoj, and good luck for next game.
Thanks.